The amber gemstone is a radiant and highly popular gem, often making its way into collections and jewelry pieces. Its warm glow brings smiles to the faces of many, and its striking appearance helps it stand out as an accessory. While many people are aware of amber, not everyone chooses to learn more about its origins, properties, uses, and the amber crystal meaning. If you are curious about amber gemstones, here's what you need to know. Amber is not a mineral gemstone like most other gems used in jewelry or for similar ornamental purposes. Instead, amber is hardened resin. As the tree resin hardens, it ends up with gem-like qualities, maintaining its form and polishing nicely. As mentioned first, amber is not a mineral-based gemstone. Instead, it's generally considered an organic gem due to its composition. Amber is created when pine tree resin hardens, giving it a stone-like consistency. It's real in that it's naturally occurring, though it's not stone in the traditional sense. Instead, it's more classically considered a fossilized resin or an organic gem. If you are wondering, how can you tell good quality amber from fakes? The process of separating the two is reasonably easy. Authentic amber is light for its size, so the weight of a piece may give you clues. Classically, it feels warmer to the touch, whereas many fakes seems cold. Additionally, amber floats in salt water. Imperfections or shifts in coloration as commonly occur with genuine amber. Scratch and hard needle tests may also help a person identify natural amber, but it does run the risk of damaging the stone.